To determine if you have a PTB or narrow PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Expert Fit Beam wiper blade on a PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Rotate the adapter before grasping the blade firmly and prying the adapter away. Locate the adapter labeled A, as well as the connector labeled M, within the packaging. To install, align the A adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the M connector. Place the adapter on the M connector and press down until it clicks into place. Next, align the assembled A adapter so that the arrow on top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the assembled A adapter into the slot on the base. The adapter should catch, press firmly until it locks into place with a click. You're now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Expert Fit Beam wiper blades.